Have you ever thought about how a small spark can destroy everything in an instant? Whenever a tiny spark turns into a major fire accident, it not only damages our property, but also puts our lives at risk. But do you know? A small precaution taken by us can prevent these accidents. But how? That's exactly what we'll discuss in today's video. So, don't miss today's video at all, because, in this video, we will talk about the main causes of fire. How can we reduce fire hazards, and protect people and property, and also talk about Fire Service Week. When is it observed, why is it observed, and what is the theme of this year 2025? So, let's start today's video. In urban areas, fire incidents are increasing day by day, making fire safety a major concern in our country. The frequent occurrence of large-scale fires has become a serious threat to India's growth. In today's world, we rely heavily on electric vehicles, appliances, machinery, and other materials that, if not handled with care, can lead to fires. Most fire accidents happen due to negligence, compromising on the quality of electrical equipment to save money, taking shortcuts during work, faulty wiring, leakage of flammable gases, ignoring potential hazards, overheating of machines, unsafe storage of flammable materials, static electricity, etc. When a fire breaks out due to these reasons, and people present at the site don't know how to control it in the initial stages, it quickly turns into a disaster, making it nearly impossible to contain. Every day, we read in newspapers, or hear in the news about a factory catching fire, or a house being burned down. All these incidents happen mainly due to a lack of awareness among people. According to a report by the National Crime Records Bureau, approximately 60 people lose their lives every day in India due to fire incidents. Among those who die in fire accidents, around 66% are women. Now here is a question that arises: can we all work together to prevent these accidents? The answer is yes. If everyone knows how to stop a fire from spreading, how to use firefighting equipment, and what precautions to take while working, then such accidents can be reduced. That's why, to raise awareness about fire safety among people, Fire Service Week is observed across India from April 14th to April 20th every year. The purpose of this week is to ensure that people do not make mistakes at work that could lead to fire accidents. Additionally, if a fire breaks out at any place, whether at home or the workplace, it can be controlled in time to save lives and property. Throughout this week, various programs are organized everywhere, whether in schools, colleges, government and private offices, factories, or industries. These programs include fire mock drills, poster competitions, banner exhibitions, essay competitions, distribution of safety instruction cards on fire hazards and precautions, and training on firefighting equipment. All these activities help spread awareness about fire safety among people. Now, you might be wondering why Fire Service Week is observed. It is observed in memory of a major fire disaster that occurred on April 14, 1944, at the Bombay Dockyard, in which hundreds of people lost their lives. If you want to understand its history in more detail, we have made a separate video on this topic. You can find the link in the description below, and watch the video there. Now, let's talk about the areas where the risk of fire is higher. Some of these high-risk areas include kitchens and cooking areas, electrical panels and wiring zones, storage areas and warehouses, workshops and factories, places with heaters and furnaces, smoking zones, hazardous waste disposal areas, construction sites, vehicle garages and fuel stations, paint, oil, and chemical storage areas, welding and metal cutting workspaces, data centers and server rooms. This year, the Fire Service Week 2025 theme is Unite to Ignite, a fire-safe India. This theme emphasizes that fire safety is not just the responsibility of an individual, organization, or department, it is a collective responsibility. Whether it is common citizens, business owners, school and college students, firefighters, or government institutions, if we all work together and raise awareness about fire safety, we can significantly reduce fire-related risks. Most fire accidents occur due to a lack of awareness. However, by taking proper precautions and following safety standards, we can build a fire-safe India. To achieve this, every citizen must adopt fire prevention measures and spread awareness. Schools, colleges, and institutions must conduct fire safety awareness campaigns. Industries and businesses should strengthen fire prevention measures. Additionally, all employees should be educated about fire safety protocols. Only then can we create a safe and secure nation. Now let's talk about what should management do to prevent fire at the workplace and increase fire safety awareness among employees. Conduct regular training for all employees at the workplace. Prepare a fire safety plan and inform everyone about it. Conduct fire drills at the workplace from time to time. Install fire extinguishers at all important locations. Install smoke detectors and fire alarms at the workplace. Keep emergency exits clear at all times. Regularly inspect the wiring of all electrical equipment and machines. Ensure the availability of a fire hydrant system and water sources. Put up fire safety posters and warning signs at the workplace. Follow fire safety rules and government guidelines. Train employees in CPR and first aid. Store chemicals and flammable substances in a safe place. Ensure proper ventilation in areas where chemicals and flammable substances are stored at the workplace. With this, we end today's video. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family so they can also be aware of fire safety. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.